That stubborn, itchy rash on your skin? Your gut bacteria might be the real reason behind it. Millions of people treat eczema with creams and lotions, but the root cause may start deeper inside. New research reveals a hidden connection between your gut bacteria and those frustrating skin flare-ups. Today, we are zooming inside your digestive system to uncover what your gut is doing to your skin. Your digestive system is home to trillions of tiny bacteria, and together they form your gut microbiome. This microbiome acts like a living shield, protecting your gut lining and keeping harmful invaders out. Here is the surprising part. Your gut does not just digest food, it also communicates with your skin. Scientists call it the gut-skin axis, a communication highway between your intestines and your skin. When gut bacteria are out of balance, they send immune signals through your blood that reach your skin. So understanding this connection is the first step to seeing how gut health shapes your skin health. So what is actually going wrong inside your gut when eczema keeps flaring up on your skin? It starts with something called gut dysbiosis, a condition where your gut bacteria lose their natural balance. In a healthy gut, good and bad bacteria live in careful balance that keeps your immune system calm. But when that balance breaks down, your immune system overreacts and starts attacking your own body. Research suggests that low gut bacteria diversity is strongly linked to inflammatory skin conditions like eczema. Now let us zoom in on the second culprit, a condition that researchers call leaky gut. Your gut lining has tiny gaps that let nutrients pass through, but block toxins from entering your blood. When that lining gets damaged, those gaps widen, and harmful substances start leaking into your bloodstream. Your immune system detects these invaders and launches an inflammatory response that can spread to your skin. Studies have found that people with eczema often show signs of a damaged gut lining in medical tests. And the third culprit might be sitting on your plate right now. Let us talk about processed foods. Many processed foods contain additives and chemicals that can damage the protective mucus layer inside your gut. Without that protection, harmful bacteria grow, while the good bacteria that support your skin health decline. This chain reaction from plate to gut to skin is exactly what triggers those stubborn eczema flare-ups. But here is where it gets really fascinating. These gut problems do not just stop at your skin. When gut inflammation becomes chronic, it slowly disrupts the way your entire immune system works. Published research has linked long-term gut dysfunction to a higher risk of developing autoimmune conditions. A damaged gut struggles to absorb the vitamins and minerals your skin needs to heal and rebuild. Your good bacteria produce something called short-chain fatty acids, which play a key role in skin protection. When those fatty acids drop, your skin barrier weakens, making it easier for irritants to trigger inflammation. Low microbiome diversity has been tied to higher levels of inflammation markers throughout the entire body. This means your immune cells can lose control, sending wave after wave of inflammation directly to your skin. Have you ever noticed that your skin gets worse when you are stressed? That is the gut-skin-brain triangle. Stress hormones damage your gut lining and shift your bacteria balance, which makes skin inflammation even worse. Studies show that eczema patients tend to have very different gut bacteria compared to people with clear skin. Even the bacteria you develop early in life may shape your eczema risk for decades to come. It becomes a vicious cycle, and treating the skin alone may never be enough to break it. The good news is, research points to 5 approaches that may help restore your gut-skin balance. The first approach is plant diversity. A wide range of plants feeds many different types of good bacteria. Those plants provide fiber that gut bacteria turn into short-chain fatty acids to help repair the gut lining. Research suggests that eating 30 or more different plant types each week may boost your microbiome diversity. Think fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, and whole grains. Small additions make a real difference. The second approach involves fermented foods. These are foods that naturally contain live, but foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut all go through a natural process that creates helpful bacteria. When these bacteria reach your gut, research suggests they may help reduce inflammation markers over time. Studies indicate that regular fermented food intake may support better immune function across your body. Some research even links regular fermented food consumption to fewer and less severe skin flare-ups. Now here is something that might change the way you think about your next meal. Reducing ultra-processed foods is the third approach. These products often contain additives that damage your gut. When you replace those foods with whole, unprocessed options, your gut bacteria can begin to naturally rebalance. Research shows that even gradually cutting back on processed foods can improve your gut inflammation markers. The fourth approach focuses on specific nutrients that research links to gut barrier repair. Zinc, for example, plays an important role in keeping the tight connections between your gut lining cells strong. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like fish and flax seeds, may help reduce inflammation from gut to skin. Another nutrient called glutamine, found naturally in many foods, has been shown to support gut lining repair. Together, these nutrients may help rebuild the gut barrier that keeps harmful substances away from your skin. And the fifth approach might be the one you least expect. It is about managing your stress levels. Stress triggers cortisol, a hormone that can damage your gut barrier and throw your bacteria off balance. That gut damage from stress opens up your gut lining, allowing more inflammation signals to reach your skin. Practices like deep breathing, meditation, and regular physical activity have all been linked to better gut health. When stress goes down, research shows that both gut function and skin condition tend to improve together. Now, let us put all of this together into a simple action plan you can start with. Start by adding a few more plant types to your daily meals. Variety is what matters most. Try introducing one fermented food into your routine, like yogurt, kimchi, or a simple serving of sauerkraut. Then, gradually reduce the amount of ultra-processed foods in your diet. Small steps lead to lasting change. Include foods rich in zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and glutamine to support your gut lining naturally. Add a simple daily stress habit, like deep breathing, a short walk, or a few minutes of meditation. Try keeping a food and skin diary. Tracking what you eat alongside skin changes can reveal hidden patterns. Your gut does most of its healing while you sleep, so getting enough quality rest is essential. Staying hydrated supports your digestion. Water helps move nutrients through your system and keeps things flowing. Remember, you do not need to change everything at once. Small, consistent steps can lead to real improvement. If symptoms persist or feel severe, always talk to your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Here is the key takeaway. Eczema may not begin on your skin, it may begin inside your gut. A healthier gut microbiome means healthier skin, and that understanding is a powerful first step. The more you understand your gut, the better equipped you are to support both your digestion and your skin. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. More gut science videos are waiting for you.